Ho-Tri Flatbed Cutting Machine. Cutting for DTF Film. Load the printed film onto the feeding unit. The rollers feed the film smoothly onto the cutting table. Operate easily via touchscreen. Equipped with an automatic feeding system and vacuum adsorption cutting table for stable, precise feeding. Front drawer designed for easy collection of cutted films. Automatic pattern recognition and precise positioning. Maximum cutting size 600 by 900 millimeters. Cutting for TPU UV film. Place the printed film onto the feeder and set it as shown. Tap the screen to start cutting. Up to 450 TPU labels per hour. Clean and sharp cutting edges. Supports half cut and full cut modes. Perfect for high volume production, enabling scalable POD manufacturing.